Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to explain how you can change or customize the browser layout in the Zen browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so there are several browser layouts you can choose from here on Zen browser. You will need to click into these three dots here to access your browser settings first, so that you may from there, from your browser settings, navigate to look and feel here. And here choose one of the browser layouts that are available, like this one, only sidebar and top toolbar, and you will see the changes here. A collapsed sidebar, so it would look like this. I will go with only sidebar, but you can also use the top toolbar here to enable it if it, for instance, disappeared, and you will see the URL address here, the refresh button, and so on and so forth. You can customize the toolbar by clicking into this button here. And that's how it works, guys. Let's leave it at this layout for the sake of this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.